right, what is up, y'all? So we're coming into cold and flu season, and you probably want to know what are the most important things to do to be healthy and either avoid getting sick or at least to minimize the number of times you get sick and how bad it gets. The problem is that the majority of information coming from mainstream news and government and health organizations doesn't really address how to make your immune system healthy. So what we got here today is a list of 6 things that you can do, and you can start doing them right away. They're super easy and they're actually extremely beneficial for your immune system. My name is Paul C. Tijerina, and like many of you, I used to get sick all the freaking time. And over the past 10 years, I've been working on strengthening my immune system and the immune system of people that I work with. And I found 6 things that make a dramatic difference. We call this low-hanging fruit, very easy to do things. And they are actually way more effective than any other interventions out there. And today I rarely get sick, and when I do it isn't that often, and it isn't for that long, and I see the same thing with my clients. So let's first talk about what the mainstream government and health organization recommendations are for prevention of colds, flus, and other viruses. So get vaccinated, keep physical distance, avoid crowds, wear masks, wash hands frequently, cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and if you develop symptoms, self-isolate until you recover. Now, there is no mention of nutrition or lifestyle factors or nutritional supplementation, and although some of these things might be useful, none of them actually address how to strengthen your immune system. So here are 6 things that you can do to boost your immune system naturally, and they just so happen to be extremely good for your overall health. So, number 1, eat real food and avoid processed food, period. Number 2, improve your sleep. Make sleep a top priority in your life. Number 3, have a fitness program in place that you enjoy, that you can do several days a week at a minimum. Number 4, get outdoors, get fresh air, and get direct sunlight most days, if not every day. Number 5, definitely practice good hygiene, especially washing your hands. And number 6, supplement with some key nutrients that have been shown to improve immune system health, including things like vitamin D3, vitamin C, and bioavailable zinc. Now again, not only are these things extremely good for your immune system, but they're also good for your overall health. And in another video, we'll talk about why these different things are so beneficial for your immune system.